welcome to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a DIY slash organisation video. I am about to redo my little coffee nook here. So you can see this is what it looks like. This light up here is normally not there. I've just got it there just so we can see a little bit more because it is a bit dreary today. So I'm trying to do this area here, have it a bit more organised. Especially because over here I have to stand on my tippy toes to reach all that stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so this is my finished coffee nook. So I'll start over here. We've just got our fruit bowls here. So just got the fruit for the week in there. Haven't done fruit shopping yet, so it's running low. I've got our main chopping board under the air fryer. We do use our air fryer quite a bit, so I've left the air fryer out on the bench. This can go under when it's not being used, otherwise I can pull it out here when we're making our toast. Here I've got my kettle and my toaster, so up nice and high, and this stand means I can put stuff underneath as well. So I have a feeling I'll pop my Tupperware thin chopping boards under there. At the moment I've got them in my pantry. Morgan has toast every day, so I've just left his bread out, butter and jam. Okay, so then we've got the coffee mug section. So I've got our coffee, our sugar. Morgan has sugar in his coffee, and we are both coffee drinkers. In winter, I do like to have tea with a bit of honey. I have a small thing of honey here. When I'm on keto, I have the sugar-free drinking chocolate. And I made these cute little personalized mugs. So this one's Pure Lottie and it's got Evie this side, and on this side I've got Macy, so I've got both my babies. And then I had done two of these. I got one for myself and one for my husband. Dogs and coffee make me feel less murdery, so this side I've just got the rainbow paw, and on this side I just have the little black paws. So that is our little coffee station. It's just a little bit of decor there. And then the top shelf, I've kept out the coffee machine. I don't use it all the time, so I've just popped it up there because Morgan likes instant coffee. Got my little sign I just painted, and then just a vase and our fly spray. So that is the finished coffee nook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!